guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm gonna be sharing some home decor dupes. If you are on a budget, if maybe you just moved, you're looking for some affordable furniture, home decor, I got you in today's video. Everything will be linked in the description box. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna see some dupes, some luxury items, some high-end, some low-end, then please just keep on watching. Since we're already in my office, I wanted to start with this desk right here. I absolutely love this desk. It has the pull-out drawers with the acrylic knobs. It has acrylic leg. I really like this, but it is pretty pricey. So I found one online that is much more affordable. It's actually from Amazon. Well, I found two. I found one that has a lot of drawer storage and then some drawers on the side as well, but it still has the acrylic leg. So if you kind of wanted a similar vibe, the acrylic, the gold, the drawers, I feel like this is a great option. But if drawers are not a priority and you're like, no, I just love the acrylic legs with the wooden top, I have this one as a great option as well. The wood tones are a little bit off, but you could always try to like maybe sand it down and then stain it a different color wood if you wanted to try to get this same kind of gray oak color, or leave it as is. I think the color wood that it comes with is really, really pretty, especially for the fact that you get the acrylic legs just like this one. I feel like why not? And also sticking in the office, this was in my last home update. I got this shelving unit that was so difficult to put up. Rob and I spent like hours trying to get it up. It was a hassle. If you saw that video, you know. But it is a little bit pricey. I think this was maybe like $500, $600, something like that. And I found a shelving unit again on Amazon, and this one goes all the way down to the floor. So I thought this would be a great option if maybe you have a blank wall and you need storage. I think a shelving unit like this would be perfect. It would take up the entire wall because it does, again, go down to the floor, but it's a lot more affordable. I love the white and the gold. It's kind of similar to this. This is glass and gold, but it gives you that same vibe. You could put baskets on this, paper organization, decor, lamps, like how I have. Just make it really cute and fun and personalized for you and your needs. But I just think this is a great option, a more affordable option for some wall storage. Okay, next up, moving on to the living room, we have these living room chairs. These are originally from CB2, but I promise you guys, I found, honestly, this is a replica. This is not a dupe. This is not a drill. This is a replica. It's pretty much the exact same chair. I have searched and looked high and low, and I have never seen something so closely identical to these chairs than these chairs right here on the screen. They are so good. If you want these chairs, I highly recommend getting the dupe version. It's a Wayfair find. It's perfect. It literally looks like the exact same chair. These chairs, yes, they are comfortable. We do sit in them like on occasion. Mostly the kids. The kids sit in these chairs just to see the TV like closer. They'll like drape over the chair and watch TV, so they're kind of sitting towards the side and looking at the screen that way. So these are really their chairs, but it's comfy. We sit here, love them down, but I highly recommend the dupes. I mean, why not? Okay, and then coming over here to the breakfast nook, this sideboard was in one of our previous home updates. This is a recent purchase. I love it. I love the marble top. I love the detailing down here. It's very traditional. I love the taupe color. It has so much storage. I have room to grow. I love the drawers out here, but here's the thing. She is pretty pricey. Rightfully so. Like, this is a great piece of furniture and I'll always have this. But if you wanted the same sort of look, you wanted the storage aspect, you need a sideboard in your home. I have one that is very, very similar. It is a wooden sideboard, but the colors sort of look the same. It's like a light wash of wood. It has storage on the sides, just like this one does. It has drawers. Like, it is very similar, sort of similar in shape. This one is a lot more rounded right here, and the one on screen obviously has more of like a rectangular edge, but I do love this one. I think this would be a great addition. It's just another option. It's not as identical. It's definitely not a replica like those living room chairs were, but this is still a great option if you wanted a sideboard, you want a lot of storage, you want something similar to this but at a much more affordable price, this is definitely a great option. Okay guys, and the next piece of furniture is this marble bench right here. I love this. And truth moment, this was a sponsorship. They sent me this. I will have this link down below. However, the dupe version, it is very, very similar. Obviously, it's just a marble top, but the legs of this, oh, hold on guys, I'm out of breath from those stairs. Okay, so the legs of this marble bench you can see down here, they kind of have a similar shape to the dupe version. Obviously, the dupe legs are just like a dark wooden color, but I feel like it's a similar vibe. For us, at least, it's only in the hallway, so kind of what difference does it make? It gives you that same sort of look. The marble top, I really, really like this one. I think this one is gorgeous, and I think it would just be a really great option. So as much as I love this one, obviously, I mean, it's stunning. I loved working with them. I would just go ahead and get the dupe because the price of this is crazy. So the dupe version will do, and it's still gorgeous. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna move on to the things in my home that are actually the dupes, the things that are affordable for more like pricier options. So let's get into it. Okay, starting with these ottomans. These were super duper affordable. I really hope they're still in stock. That's the only thing with like shopping at places like Target, Walmart. Like sometimes their inventory is not always available. But anyway, we have these ottomans right here. I love the stitching on this. To me, this did not give Target. The only thing that makes it clear that like, okay, yeah, these are from Target is the fact that they're so lightweight. They're so lightweight. You could literally toss these things around, but they give the look. I was going for a specific vibe and these really met the needs that I had. I love how it's kind of like a gray, but also the stitching almost has a little bit of ivory beige in there as well to kind of go with this table and really the rest of the room. I think these are just really nice. I love the shape. They fit perfectly underneath here. So I just didn't feel the need to go to someplace high end for ottomans that realistically were not sitting in. I just wanted something underneath here. Just looked nice for this area. Ignore the basket. Sometimes we keep it there. I don't know. It's just there. But I think it just kind of complements this wall, the color of it. I love the shape, like I said, and they will be linked down below. It's a great option. Okay, next up, we are back downstairs in the living room, and I wanted to show you these side tables right here. I have seen side tables like this from places like West Elm. Ignore that cord. I need to figure out a way to like hide that, but still have this lamp plugged in. I'm working on it, okay? Maybe that'll be in another home update. But anyway, these side tables here, I've seen some just like this at like Crate and Barrel, West Elm for like $500, $600. These are from Walmart, okay? Walmart find of the year. I think these both came in a set. I want to say under like $100. Again, technically this was a sponsorship I did with Walmart, but like these are good. These are good, and I would have purchased them no matter what. I love the shape. I love the color. They kind of give like a stone finish, even though it's not. The only thing is it's really hard to keep clean. So usually I'll have something on here like a candle or something to try to camouflage like all of the scuff marks, but keep them together like how I have, or you could separate them, put one over here, one in another room, however you want to do it. They complement the living room again with the color, with the tone, and I love them. Okay, so moving on to the sunroom, I want to talk about this mirror that we have on top of our mantle. I absolutely love this. This is definitely a dupe for the one at Lulu in Georgia. I want to say that one is like, is that one close to $1,000? It's something crazy. And I think I spent maybe $50 on this mirror. This is a HomeGoods find. So you would have to go to your local HomeGoods or maybe even TJ Maxx to try to find something like this. But I feel like every time I'm in there, I see a mirror similar to this. So maybe you'll find like a gold one or a silver one, and maybe you could like spray paint it or paint it yourself, however you want to do it. But this is a really great affordable option, especially since it's going up on a mantle. It's not like a mirror that's like on the floor and you need it to be like heavy duty and secure so it doesn't fall. This is on a mantle. We have enough space. It's just leaned back. It's not mounted or anything like that, and it's fine. It really is all about the size. For me personally, a mirror is a mirror. As long as the frame is cute and it's a good size, you don't need to spend a ridiculous amount of money on a mirror. I don't know. That's just me. A couch? Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna spend some coin. You know, a bed frame, something that's like dominant, yes. But a mirror, I feel like you can kind of cut corners with that. And HomeGoods always has a bunch of options, a bunch of different options, unique ones that I'm sure is gonna fit your design style. I just went with this one. I love the black color. I love the little like vintage trim part up there. I think it's really cute. Mirrors like this come a dime a dozen. I've even seen seen some at World Market. You don't need to go crazy, but I will link some options, obviously. I keep saying that. Everything will be linked. Okay, you guys, moving on. We are in the guest bedroom, and I wanted to show you this dresser. I love this dresser, and it was super affordable. I think it's just really, really nice. I love the color. I love the handles. My favorite part, though, is this side over here. This kind of like, is this herringbone? Is that what that's called? Anyway, this pattern here with the wood, I think is really, really cute and different. And I just thought it looked really, really nice in this space. I was looking at dressers from places like Pottery Barn that were, you know, like $1,200, $1,000. But this one was, I think, like less than $500. I think it was around like $300 and something dollars. It's in our guest bedroom, and we rarely get guests. I want to say like maybe once a year. So I really didn't want to spend too much, especially because it doesn't really get used that much. Kind of is just gonna sit here vacant for most of the year. So I wanted to get something that was more affordable, but still looked nice. Like this looks high end, this looks high quality, and it is. Like it's definitely very nice. Rob had to build it and put it together, but it's nice. Like I do really, really like this. If you are on a budget, I feel like this is a great option. A dresser is not something that's like fun. Like I feel like buying a bed, buying a rug, like even nightstands are like fun things to buy. Like the wall art is fun to buy, lamps, those are fun things to buy. A dresser, like it's just a necessity. You want it to kind of blend into the room and look nice, but at least for me personally, it's not the most like fun. Oh, I can't wait, you know, to like buy a dresser. I don't know. So I think this is a great option, especially for something that's like, okay, I just need it. I need to put my clothes in. I need something that's gonna look nice, but it's not gonna be the focal point of the room. I feel like this fits perfect, and I really like it. It complements the floor. It just blends in, and it feels very cohesive with the rest of the space. We obviously just have a TV on top and a couple little decorative accents. This is the way it stays 9 times out of 10. I mean, unless we're packing for a trip and we've got our suitcases spread everywhere, this is kind of our go-to spot. But this is what the room looks like. I really like the dresser. I think it complements the space, like I said, and I think it's really pretty. Okay, you guys, and coming back over to the sunroom, we have this lamp here. I love this marble lamp. Oh, ignore that nail. Please ignore that. I'm gonna tuck that in and hide it and pretend that never happened. I love this marble lamp. I think it's really, really pretty. One of my favorite features of, let me show the whole thing. One of my favorite features of this lamp is that there's a couple of ways to light this. First of all, you twist it one time and the base of the lamp turns on, which I think is really cool. When it's nighttime and it's dark in here, just having the base of the lamp turned on looks so nice and cozy and like romantic. Like it gives a nice subtle dim light, which you all know I'm obsessed with. I'm a lighting girl. Dim light, candlelight, spotlights, colorful lights. Like, okay, maybe not colorful, but you get what I'm saying. Those types of lights, any type of mood, ambient lighting, I'm obsessed with. So I really love the fact the base lights up without the actual like lamp part up here, lamp light bulb. So, and then if you twist it again, the light bulb will turn on. So maybe you're like, no, I need to read. I need some actual light. This can come on. And then if you twist it a third time, both are on. So I just really appreciate that. It's the small little things that make a big difference. I think this is really nice. I've seen marble lamps like this like go up in price crazy and be like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So to find this one, it's super affordable. It's a Wayfair find. I really like this. I love the base of it. It's gold, like the marble. It's just really pretty. I love the shape. It looks really nice here. The height is perfect for this area, and I just highly recommend. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Those are all of my home decor dupes that I have in my house, plus the home decor like high-end things that I found dupes for. So hopefully this video was helpful. You have to let me know which ones were your favorite. Are you inspired by this? Have you found a dupe online that you're like, no, you need to check this one out? This is the one right here. Let me know. Again, like I've said 20+ times at this point, everything will be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.